Hello everyone. In today's lecture we are going to start our new unit, that is power supply. Power supply we see in all the fields of electronics. All the electronic devices works on the power supply. According to the need, there are different types of power supply, and we have to select the best power supply for our electronic devices. The power supplies may need to change the voltage up or down, convert the power to direct current, or regulate the power for smoother outcoming voltage, and this can be we can achieve, or that things can be given by the proper selecting of the power supply. In today's lecture we have to see the regulated power supply, but before going to the main topic we will see what are the different power supplies available in the market according to the need. Here diagram shown. First diagram, it is a simple general purpose desktop power supply. This one is the adjustable regulated DC power supply. A power supply is an electrical device that supplies electric power to an electrical load. The primary function of power supply is to convert the electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current and frequency to the power load. पॉवर सप्लाय म्हणजे एक इलेक्ट्रिकल डिव्हाइस आहे आणि त्याचं मेन फंक्शन काय आहे किंवा इट सप्लायज द इलेक्ट्रिकल पॉवर टू द इलेक्ट्रिकल लोड. आणि त्याचं फंक्शन काय आहे तर आपल्याला त्या पॉवर सप्लायकडून जी इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी असते ती व्होल्टेजच्या फॉर्ममध्ये मिळू शकते, करंट, फ्रिक्वेन्सी ॲज पर आवर नीड. हियर a new one version of power supply is shown. It is the programmable power supply. It is advanced version of the power supply. Programmable power supply, it allows remote control of its operation through an analog input or digital interface such as RS-232 or GPIB. The controller properties may include voltage, current, and in case of AC output power supplies, frequency also. These power supplies used in wide variety of applications like automated equipment testing, crystal growth monitoring, semiconductor fabrications, X-ray generators, etc. And this one is the switch mode mobile phone charger. We all are well known about this power supply. We can say it as an adapter also. Now we will see the regulated DC power supply. The regulated DC power supply, it is called as regulated because its output remains stable if the load is constant, if the load is variable or load is changing. जरी पण लोड आपण जो कनेक्ट केला असेल तो चेंज झाला तरी पण रेग्युलेटेड DC पॉवर सप्लायचं आउटपुट जे आहे ते कॉन्स्टंट राहतं. सो इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज रेग्युलेटेड DC पॉवर सप्लाय. इट इज फाउंड दॅट इन सेव्हरल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट्स it is enormously significant to maintain the DC power supply irrespective of the alternating current. आपल्याला काही अप्लायन्सेसमध्ये आउटपुट जे आहे किंवा पॉवर सप्लाय जो आहे तो कॉन्स्टंट गरजेचा असतो. जरी AC सप्लाय फ्लक्च्युएट झाला तरी पण आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी पॉवर सप्लाय ही कॉन्स्टंट गरजेची असते. त्या ठिकाणी अशा प्रकारचे पॉवर सप्लाय यूज केले जातात कारण AC पॉवर सप्लाय जे आहेत ते तेवढे कॉन्स्टंट व्होल्टेज आपल्याला प्रोव्हाइड करू शकत नाहीत. सो टू ओव्हरकम दिस प्रॉब्लेम द व्होल्टेज रेग्युलेटिंग डिव्हाइस कॅन बी यूज्ड and thus by using that voltage regulating device we can get the regulating power here. This is an electrical device used to generate the steady DC supply irrespective of alternative AC supply, and the regulated power supply consists of the various blocks shown here. We can see here transformer, then rectifier circuit, followed by filter circuit, regulator, then filter circuit again, load, and we will get here the regulated DC output voltage. Now we will see the actual function of each blocks. These blocks help the power supply to this transformer shown here. This is the step down or step up transformer, which will transfer the high electrical supply or transfer the high voltage supply to low voltage or low voltage supply to high voltage, step up and step down. Transformerचं function काय? It just isolates the circuit and transfer the voltage to another circuit. And second one is the rectifier circuit. This rectifier, it is the circuit used to convert the alternating current AC supply to the pulsating DC voltage. या रेक्टिफायरचं फंक्शन काय? आपण पाहत आहोत DC सप्लाय and our requirement is output must be DC. Here AC supply is provided and this AC we have to convert into DC. This rectifier will convert the AC into pulsating DC. Then the rectifier may be half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier or bridge wave rectifier can be used to convert the AC into pulsating DC. Then it is followed by the filter circuit. The filter circuit in the power supply is mainly used for smoothing the AC differences from the corrected voltage. Then next one is the regulator. फिल्टरचं फंक्शन काय? तर जे रिपल्स याच्यामध्ये राहिलेले असतात रेक्टिफायरकडून आलेल्या पल्सेटिंग DC मध्ये, त्याला प्युअर करण्याचं काम हा फिल्टर सर्किट करत असतो. सो दॅट वी विल गेट हिअर प्युअरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ DC सप्लाय. Then next one is the regulator. The regulator, voltage regulator in the power supply, it is important block in the power DC regulated power supply as it provides the regulated output voltage at its output. If we have a 5 volt regulated power supply, then we can use here 7805 IC 7805 will it is a positive voltage regulator and provides the fixed 5 volt voltage at its output. Likewise we can use different regulator also. Here next after the regulator the circuit used again filter circuit. The remaining AC part can be removed by this filter circuit, and so that we can get the pure DC voltage, and this voltage is given to the load here. Thus here we can get the regulated DC voltage at the output. So this present supply allow an AC inputs as well as provides a stable DC output at its output terminal. So this is about the regulated DC power supply. It is also named as a linear power supply and it provides a stable DC output. We will stop.